Good afternoon. Myself Mohammed Al-Mana, lecturer in Ilsec, National Institute of Science and Technology. Thank you. We will study about engineering mechanics. That is a topic force in engineering mechanics. What is force actually? Force is general force, the push or pull acting on an object that may be internal or external. But the unit of force is Newton. It is the SI unit. And the CJ in the system, the following unit of forces, then and the relation between Newton and Dyson, 1 equal to 12 and root of power I Dyson. Force is, it is a vector quantity because it has both magnitude and direction. Suppose there is an object, it has a mass m. This is weight equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. Okay, this is the normal force acted the opposite direction of the weight, and if this is the force acted upon this object, this is F. In the horizontal direction it will be F cos theta, in vertical direction it will be F sin theta, and this is the angle theta. Then work is generally the mechanical work is the product of force and displacement, and the direction of work is in the direction of force. Direction of force is in the direction of displacement. The mathematically work the dot product is force and displacement. Suppose this is a surface and this is the body of mass m, and this is the weight and W equal to mg. Then if the force is acted in this direction, it will displace a displacement. Then what will be effort s. This is the dot product question. To vector country is a scalar country. That's why this is scalar. Its unit is SI unit of work is joule. Okay. If and the direction of force and the displacement are same, that's why W equal to vector s. If force is in this direction, then in horizontal direction, the direction of force will be F cos theta. In vertical direction, it will be F sin theta. Then this is the theta. It will displace displacement S. Then in this case, the work will be W equal to F dot F horizontal dot S. That is F S cos theta. That is your problem. If a force of 5 Newton is acted on a body by making an angle of 30 degrees, then find the work done. W equal to here given force equal to 5 Newton, angle between force and the horizontal is 30 degree. Sorry. If the body displaced by 10 meter. Here a force of 5 meter is applied to a body by making an angle theta, sorry, making an angle 30 degree, and the body moves at displacement 10 meter. Here force is 5 meter, theta is 30 degree, and s is equal to 10 meter. Then what will be? This is the actual angle. Force F cos theta, this is theta, 10 meter, F cos theta, force equal to 5 into displacement 10 into cos 30 equal to 50 into root 3 by 2, 25 root 3 Joule. Okay. Now we will study about friction. Friction. What is friction? Friction is actually a force, and its unit is same with the force, Newton. This is the opposing force. This is the opposing force which resists the motion between the two surfaces. And the mathematically, friction directly proportional the normal force by the object. If this is the surface, this is a body then on it, surface mass m, then its weight will be mg, and this is the reaction force. Okay, the F proportional to R, then it will be F equal to mu into R. Mu equal to F by R. The mu is the coefficient of friction. It is of two types. One is static friction, then dynamic friction, then rolling friction. Static friction, the friction acted on the body when the body is at rest. Dynamic friction, the friction acted between the surface when the body is in motion. But rolling friction is where the body rotates.